Now with your Storm Team weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Josh Johns.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, it's been pretty hot lately, of course, but it looked like we heard some rain here.
We heard some rain as we started off the newscast, and we weren't the only ones in the Concho Valley that heard some, and sometimes it made for a pretty sight. This is a shot sent in from Greg Huffman. Showed this at 6, but it's such a good photo, might as well show it again. You can see the rainbow there and also the rain shaft there in the distance. This is in Sterling County, in eastern Sterling County to be exact, where they had a pretty good shower going on around 6 o'clock. And that kind of tropical look to the clouds was with us as we headed into sunset as well. Here's a shot from just Sean Box here in San Angelo, and you can see just a tropical look to those clouds, really holding some moisture. Unfortunately, not everyone got in on the rain. We had a little bit as we finally went towards around 10 o'clock here, but look at the sunset. When you combine the tropical clouds and the sun there, makes for a really pretty sight looking off to the west from downtown San Angelo. Some of those turning into a few showers over Sterling City. And then if you watch around 10 o'clock, you might see it on the time lapse. Doesn't look like we will, but we did have a quick shower move over northern portions of the city. I think it just missed downtown to the north. Spot showers will be possible, at least for the next few hours or so. I think they really start to waver before we get towards midnight, and then back to the school, back to the heat for tomorrow. And that's going to be the case through the weekend with sunny skies coming back as well. Here's your live radar network. The only real noticeable showers up there in Coleman County right now, coming out of Brown County as well. But if you look really closely right there, that little one that just moved right over our station here and now is impacting areas between Grape Creek and the Coliseum, pretty close to Lake Drive, getting in on a pretty good shower now. Otherwise, not much going on. And the activity won't last long. It really just puffs up and then puffs right back down just as quickly. What we call splash and dash showers. Otherwise, pretty quiet across the Concho Valley, and still pretty muggy too. Temperatures in the mid-80s, 85 right now in San Angelo. It's 82 in Ozona Junction, checking in at 87, 82 in Sterling City, with the dew points still in the 60s. It's still a very humid atmosphere out there, and so you're going to wake up with humidity in the morning. You won't feel it as much in the daytime tomorrow, but I'm not going to rule out an isolated shower from that humidity, but it's still hanging with us thanks to those south winds. Some severe weather rolling up across the Panhandle, and also showers and thunderstorms from Houston over towards Austin. That's along that stationary front that brought us the showers today. It's kind of camped there, not really moving much, but it will kind of drift more to the east as we go into tomorrow and kind of get out of our hair. Behind that, very warm winds coming out of the west, and that means we're going back up to the triple digits. Meanwhile, all eyes are on the Pacific. This is Hurricane Lane, and a hurricane has not made landfall in Hawaii since 1992. Lane's trying to do so as it goes through the weekend. Currently a Category 4 with winds at 155 miles per hour. That's on the upper end of the Category 4, so kind of close to a 5. It should stay a 4 as it passes just south of the big island of Hawaii. But the newest update now taking this track very close to Oahu. And again, if it makes landfall, that'd be the first hurricane to make landfall since 1992. Either way, a lot of rain coming to the Hawaiian Islands. So if you have friends in that area, you might want to check up on them, make sure they know where to go if it gets to be a little bit of a flooding problem. Meanwhile, not going to be flooding here. We just got this big heat dome that's going to sit in place as we go into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, really staying over us. That means that those temperatures are going to be getting close to the triple digits. Not the case tonight. Tonight we see temperatures only falling down into the low 70s. 73, pretty common across the Concho Valley with your normal low at 70. Record, by the way, was 60 in 1981. I can't rule out 1 or 2 showers. I've got a 10% chance of rain tomorrow. Most of you staying really, really dry and hot with temperatures in the upper 90s. I think we're going pretty close to 99 here in San Angelo. Record, by the way, 105 in 2010. Take a look at your extended forecast, because if you didn't get rain today, you're likely not seeing some for quite a while. We're at 101 Thursday and Friday, 100 Saturday and Sunday, and then cooling off slightly Monday and Tuesday. But the hot weather that we're accustomed to in August just keeps on rolling on. We still have a few more weeks left before summer, although our average highs are going down, which means we're going to see that weather end eventually. Still got another week or so of it, at least, probably 2.
Right. All right. Thanks, Josh. And coming up next on KSAN News at 10, a recap of the MTV